freestyle, here you have it. My fricassee chicken is now completed, guys, looking nice and colorful, and I must tell you guys, the smell of this is so amazing. It is so mouth-watering, as you can see for yourself, guys.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Welcome back, Freestyle Nation. Welcome back to the movements. Guys, I just want to say a big thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. Just keep on supporting the channel by liking the videos, sharing the videos. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now guys, it's Sunday and I'm back in the kitchen, so let's go. It's time to cook freestyle way. Freestyle, so here you have it. I'll be doing some fricassee chicken today. So right here, guys, I have my chicken, nice and lovely, already washed. And over here are the seasoning and the spices I'll be using. So here you have, guys, I have onions, sweet pepper, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper. I have some ground thyme. Also, my spices are black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, and a chicken ginger seasoning. So guys, just stay tuned while I show you how I prep my fricassee chicken. Viewers and subscribers, so here you have it. I have my natural seasoning prep. I have some onions, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, Irish potato. So guys, it's now time for me to go ahead and start the seasoning of my fricassee chicken. Stay tuned. So here I'm using a all-purpose ginger chicken seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle it all over. Then after that, I will add some black pepper. I love the flavor of the black pepper on my chicken. Then after that, guys, I will go ahead and use some chicken seasoning. Chicken seasoning. Then after that, I will use some all-purpose seasoning. Then after, I will rub everything together to make sure every piece of the chicken is properly seasoned. Here you have it, freestyle. Then after, guys, I'm going to add my natural seasoning. My natural seasoning is right here. Then I'm going to do the same procedure. I'm going to rub everything together. Last but not least, guys, I'm going to add some paprika. So right here, guys, I'm going to put a little bit of paprika to have some color to my chicken. I hate when my meat is white. My meat gotta have some color to it. I'll go ahead, rub everything together now, freestyle. As you can see, guys, looking nice and lovely, nice and colorful. Looking nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself, guys. So freestyle, here you have it. My chicken is now completely seasoned, nice and colorful. I will give it probably like about 45 minutes to marinate. Then it's time to start the cooking process. Just stay tuned, guys, and always, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. And remember, eat what you cook and cook what you eat. Yeah, freestyle. So for the fricassee chicken, guys, first you want to have the chicken fried first. So my oil is now hot. I will now go ahead and start the frying of the chicken. I'm going to allow my chicken to fry. Your freestyle chicken is frying nice and lovely, guys. You can see for yourself. Yeah, here, Freestyle. So my chicken is now completely fried. Over here I have my natural seasoning. I have some oil from the fried chicken in the pot. I will go ahead and put natural seasoning in the pot. So placing the seasoning in the pot, guys, I'm going to stir. I'm going to allow my seasoning to cook. Soon come. My seasoning is now almost cooked, guys. I will go ahead and add a small amount of water. Just a small amount. And after adding the water, guys, I'm going to stir. Then I will cover it, allow it to cook some more. So Freestyle, here you have it. My season is now cooked. I will go ahead and put the chicken in the pot. The chicken are nicely fried, guys, and as you know, I like when my meat is well done. Put the chicken in. After putting in the chicken, guys, I will now go ahead and add some ketchup. Sprinkling the ketchup all over. And after adding the ketchup, now I will go ahead and stir. Stir everything together. You can see for yourself, Freestyle. Looking nice and beautiful. Now guys, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to give it like about 3 to 4 minutes. Then it's a Freestyle. Here you have it. My fricassee chicken is now completed, guys, looking nice and colorful, and I must tell you guys, the smell of this is so amazing. It is so mouth-watering, as you can see for yourself, guys, nice and colorful. And over here, guys, I have some veg to go with it. And last and not least, guys, some nice gungo peas rice to go with it as well. You know what I mean? So guys, as you know, Freestyle Adventure give you the best of cooking, you know what I mean, the best of motorsport, you know what I mean, the best of traveling. So just keep on liking the videos and sharing the videos, guys. I really appreciate y'all. Just keep on supporting the movement, because it's a new movement and I appreciate all the support I can get. But guys, I'm telling you guys, this meal is smelling so good. The chicken is so delicious. The color is just mouth watering. So guys, just stick and stay, guys. Soon come. Yes, Freestyle Nation, here you have it. My fricassee chicken is now completed. As you can see for yourself, guys, looking nice and delicious. Some rice and peas and some veg along with some avocado. Now guys, as you know, at Freestyle Adventure, guys, we'll give you a little cooking, a little motorsport, a little traveling, a little of everything, you know what I mean? So guys, just keep on supporting the movement. As I said before, it's a new channel and I appreciate all the support I can get. Guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button. It will be highly appreciated, and join the movement. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Keep on supporting the movement. Art of love, love and love alone, guys. I really appreciate y'all. Until next time, guys, catch you in the next one. As you can see, it's that time. It's time to have some fun with this food. Until next time, guys, catch you in the next one. Art of love, love and love alone. Freestyle way.